So, got breakfast. So we're gonna go to the shop and get some like croissants, pain au chocolat, baguettes, the normal. So we've got our croissants and pain au chocolats, and they were freshly baked. They just put a new tray down when we were going by. So this is my second bowl of cereal, and now we've got a pain au chocolat and a croissant. So now me and Moles are gonna do the washing up, and we have a helper to carry it because it's very heavy. So now we're gonna go on a nature walk.
Down the river?
Yeah, across the river where we did in day 7, which was yesterday, and gonna have some fun. See if we can spot some like bugs or insects or birds. Oh. So we're heading down. Those 2 are in front, and then there's 2 in the back, and we're in the middle. And there's a lot of cool. We found these berry tomato-y things. Yeah. There's some nice pink flowers as well. Some coming up. I have found a stick bug. It's very camouflaged and looks like an actual stick, but it's really a stick bug. And it's growing leaves, but it's a stick bug. We're gonna do a mission now. I mean, I suppose I don't to whisper because she's over there, but we got a tickler. Look. Oh. So we're gonna go surprise Auntie Kath. And that is a tree bug. It looks like a tree, but no, it is actually a bug. I'm getting close to it. And this is a tickle bug. It tickles you.
Oh, that's nice though. Horrible.
All the corn has been cut. It's going to be cut again next year. Horse poo. And then there's another lump by here. Oh, that one smells. So, my bladder was full, so I needed to go in the bushes. Look at those rocks. Well, there's people in them at there. Oh yeah, and Daddy, what are these rocks called again?
The Rock de Christophe.
The Rock de Christophe. It's
All
cool.
ancient carvings.
Ancient carvings. Can we go there? So we're a bit closer, and can you see all those people in there? Are they like on a tour or something? And don't know what those 3 are looking at, but we're gonna go see. We still haven't seen any animals. There's a butterfly and another butterfly. The first animal slash creature, a slug. We finally found something. And what was it?
Mommy, look at that.
Yeah, that's why I was just getting a video of what's this building? Yeah. Look at this, the sign. It's cool. Look what's coming. Oops, sorry. But let's see. Yep. There's a horsey.
Oh, lovely horse.
That was cool. So we stopped at a shop and us three, me and me got ice creams. Me and Mil's got Magnum, and the dad's got this weird cheese pizza thing. Yeah. What is that you're eating?
It's a baguette with like goat cheese on.
And we saw another horse. Ice cream done. We found a bin by lollipop sticking. Oh, Magnum stick. Very good bin. Wait, what? There's a ring. Can I take her out?
It's just a kiddie one. There's like a adjusting thing in the back.
So cool. What should we do with that?
They're on the top of the bin, is it? I think it might be a toe ring. You go wear the toes.
We touched it.
The public ones.
So we're on our way back now to the campsite, and we're probably on half an hour away. We're passing the rocks again, and I'm going to see if I can remember what they're called. Is it Saint? Wait, don't tell me what they are. I'm trying to say. Is it a saint? Saint something. Pardon? Yeah, Saint Christopher. Rock Saint Christopher. That's close. We found an acorn. Well, no, we did, not me, but acorn. So we've made it back, and yeah, we were like an hour and 40 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna probably chill for a bit and then go in the pool. So we're gonna go to the pool.
And we're going to meet Charlie there.
Are we?
Yes, we are.
Oh. So we're chilling out in the back watching Lucky. So we're at the bar, and I got ice cream. I got vanilla and cotton candy. It's the usual. Ice cream done. So we're leaving the bar, and I'm going. Well, just me because Molly needs to have a shower. I don't know if she is, but I'm gonna go on the swing for a little bit. So now we're going back to the park. No, not the park. Going to the camper van, Odo, and we're probably just gonna chill. We're gonna go back up the pub for dinner. So yeah, and this is what I'm gonna have. This all along here, yeah, that. And yeah. So I might see you guys at dinner, or I might see you earlier. So as you can tell, I've had a. So now we're going to the restaurant and gonna have some dinner. So we got dinner, and I got the fricadelle. So food gone, and it was very yummy. So me and Molly are gonna go to the park. She's ran ahead because I think one of her friends is there. So we're gonna stay for like around 10 minutes, and then we're gonna get ice cream. We're on the swings. Yeah. You can't see Molly. You can see Molly. Can't see. Can't see. Can't see. Can't see. Molly, say hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera.
Got ice cream. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you all in the next one.
Bye.